Hello everyone. In today's video we're going to see how to derive the formula for the Laplace transform of sine of 2t. Okay, so here we have the question. Let us start solving. L of sine. So here we have sine 2t. So to derive a general formula we can take it as sine 80 first equals 0 to infinity e power minus st into sine of 80 dt. Now we can as we have to solve it by integral by parts, so let us take this as u, and if you see this you can say that e power minus st is the derivative of minus 1 by s into e power st. We can take this as v and this as v dash u, v dash. So now the question is in the form of integral of v dash u. So to get this we can do one thing, take uv and differentiate it. So we'll have u derivative of uv plus derivative of v and u. Now integrate this. You'll have uv equals integration of the derivative of uv plus integration of the derivative of u into v. V into u. Okay. Now our question is in the form integration of v dash u. Here it is. So let us take this as subject. So v dash u, integration of v dash u equals uv minus integral u dash v. Okay, so we're going to use this mainly. So let us make our things clear now. Our u is sine 80, so u dash should be a cos 80, and our v is minus 1 by s into e power st, and v dash is e power st. So let us do it, and first of all let us take this question as y, the formula as y. So y equals uv. What is u? Sine 80, sine of 80 into v. V is minus 1 by s into e power st minus integral of u dash. U dash is a cos 80 and into v minus 1 by s e power st dt. This should be from 0 to infinity obviously. Now let us solve it again. We can write this as minus e power minus st divided by s into sine of 80 minus, let us take this thing out, so we'll have plus a by s into the integral from 0 to infinity of e power minus st cos 80 dt. Now this becomes a whole different question again, so we can solve it in the similar way. Take this as v dash, and our v as it is known, it is minus 1 by s e power st, and this as u, so u will be cos of 80, v dash we know it is e power minus st, u dash would be minus of a sine 80. Okay, now we have this. This we will solve the same way of as this, so we can use this formula again over here. So minus e power st by s into sine of 80 plus a by s into uv. What is u? Cos 80. Cos 80 into minus of 1 by s e power st minus integral of u dash, which is minus a sine at, integral of u dash, and then into v. So our v is again minus 1 by s e power minus st dt. Now we know we have to evaluate everything from 0 to infinity. Sorry, forgot to write it before. Okay, so let this be from 0 to infinity, and this whole thing is also again from 0 to infinity. Okay, sorry. Yeah, so now again e power minus st by s sine at 0 to infinity, plus we have here a by s square into e power st by s, which is here it is minus, so this becomes minus into cos 80. Okay, and here we can take a out and even the s. Okay, yeah, so here we have as outside the whole thing, right? So what we'll do is, we know it is a by s again, so we have to take this as a square by s square into integral 0 to infinity of e power st into sine at dt. Now if you notice, we took this earlier, we took this as y, so here we have y equals all of this. So now we'll take this on that side, so we'll have y plus a square y by s square equals this equals, now we can take e power minus st common from these, and right, and then continue writing. So this will become this plus, so this would be plus now, so this will be a by s square, sorry, this doesn't be there, a by s square to cos 80. Okay, now this whole thing from 0 to infinity, now it becomes easier right now. So we have s square plus a square by s square whole into y. Now first we'll take infinity, so e minus of e power minus infinity is 0, so the whole term becomes 0 now, and when we substitute 0 in t, we'll have minus of minus e power 0, so which will be 1, and sine of 0 is anyway 0, plus a square into s square into cos of 0 is 1, so we'll have 1 into a, yeah, 1 into a by s square. Now as you have s square over here, so cancel this out, and now all you have is y equals a divided by s square plus a square. Now this is the Laplace transform of sine of 80. Now for the Laplace transform of sine of 2t would be equal to sine of 2t would be equal to a, which is our 2 here, so 2 by s square plus 4. That's it.